So one of the reasons of Nvidia's success is broadening out the customer base ever so slightly. Nvidia had been working almost exclusively with OpenAI in terms of large language models, but recently it signed a deal for the first time with Anthropic, which is adopting Nvidia GPUs, and they are establishing a deep technology partnership to support Anthropic's fast growth. Anthropic's commitment is initially including up to 1 gigawatt of compute capacity with Grace Blackwell and Vera Rubin systems. Grace Blackwell is NVIDIA's current year technology. The Vera Rubin is what NVIDIA is working on to release next year. So this commitment from Anthropic is to surpass this year and include next year's products. The reason why this is positive development for NVIDIA is because it broadens out the company's customer base. One of the biggest risks facing NVIDIA stock investors is the customer concentration risk. NVIDIA has relatively few customers that spend large sums of money with the company. So any headwinds facing any of those few customers could mean a big decrease in sales for NVIDIA because of its customers' revenues are falling. If its customers' profits are falling, then they're likely to purchase fewer chips from NVIDIA. So by broadening out the customer base, it makes it more likely that NVIDIA succeeds, regardless of which one of those customers ultimately succeeds and takes a meaningfully large market share in the artificial intelligence market. So I mentioned that they're partnering with companies and especially with Uber to scale the world's largest level 4 ready autonomous fleet built on the new NVIDIA Hyperion L4 robotaxi reference architecture. So if you're bullish on driverless car technology, NVIDIA is an excellent way to play that trend moving forward. One of the, in my opinion, best values you can get in investing in driverless car technology. And that's something that I was concerned about. So by giving that forecast, it also increased my free cash flow estimates for NVIDIA. So the changes increased the fair value that I think this stock is worth. Previously to my update, I had NVIDIA's fair value calculated at around $201 per share. After the update, I now calculate the shares to be worth $214 compared to the current market price of $183. NVIDIA stock still looks undervalued despite the phenomenal performance year to date and going back several years.
Click the link below to watch the full video.